kitten! You're so cute. Come here. Do you want to come inside? Ready for our adventure, kitty? Look at all the flowers. Let's go explore. Aw, you're such a good little eater. Yes, you are.
Looks really good, right? In this project, I created an amazing animated kids story. Super cute, heartwarming, and it was way easier than most people might think. I made this full animation in just a few hours using Canva and a few AI tools. And yes, you can make your own animated story using this same system for free. In this video, I'll walk you through my exact workflow so you can learn how to create your own story videos faster, easier, and using the same tools I did. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to create an animated story from scratch. I'm in ChatGPT, and here's my idea for a cartoon about a little girl and the kitten that she found and their little adventure. Here's the story that ChatGPT helped me write after I'd made several changes to it. I've also got the information about each character individually, the girl, the cat, the mama, and baby bunny, describing them in detail. I'm in Canva. You can use the free or paid version, and I'm going to start making my images. Next, I'll go to Canva AI from the homepage. So I'll click on Image right here and put my prompt there that I made in ChatGPT. I could choose any of these styles, but since my prompts already include that information, I won't this time. I can also choose any of these aspect ratios. I'll stay with 16:9. You can see I've already made my images for the video. This is an upscaled image, but every time it'll make 4 different ones for you, so you can choose whichever one you want, or run it again if you want more choices. If you click on Boost Resolution, it'll upscale your image. Let's make one together. I'm gonna reuse this prompt for now. If you click right here, you can see you can reuse the prompt. Next, it'll put the prompt right back up here. Now I can change it or keep it the same, and it'll create 4 different images. Check these out. It's really fast here in Canva, and it does a really good job. You can see how pretty these are. If you click here, you can boost them if you are a pro member. For now, I'll leave it as is. If there's any images that you don't like, you can always rerun it now to get images you really enjoy. After that, once you get all your images made, it's time to go to the next step. So now I'm going to try something new. I'm going to use Grok. I've never used this free tool before, so bear with me. I've already logged in, so if you don't have a Grok account, Google it, then log in. Once you get in here, you'll see this. I did notice this error message up here. I'll click off of it. Now I'll attach an image here. So I'll put my first image here and drop it in just like that. So we'll click right here, and now it's animating. Yeah, there we go. Let's give it a few seconds, and now it's made. There are some bird sounds as well. That's interesting. I didn't realize it would add sounds too. So I'll leave it like that for now and click here to download. Okay, so let's do one more. We can also change the duration and the resolution, so let's make it a little bit higher resolution. Okay, so now it wants me to pay, and $30 a month, that seems really steep. For this free video tutorial, I'll skip that. But the preset is only $4.80, and that's pretty low. I am surprised by that. And 6 seconds, so I'll leave it at that. Here are a few things I noticed about Grok when I used it. The resolution is super low unless you get a paid plan. It often adds music, sounds, and narration whether you tell it to or not. It does not follow directions well when you ask it to add a specific narration. Making videos, it is pretty fast. I do wish that it was a higher resolution and was more intuitive to use, and that it followed directions better, but it is fun to experiment with. Feel free to come in here and try it for yourself. Finally, once you get all your images converted into videos, it's time to go to the next step. All right, time to go on to the next step, which is actually putting it all together. Next, I'll go back to home and click here to create a video. Click on Video, choose Landscape, and now it'll open up a new page just like this. So let's get started. I've already started working on it, and as you can see, a lot of my videos are over here in the Uploads area. You can just drag and drop things in here, or if you'd rather, you can always go up here and click here and then upload your files that way. Use either way. Images are in here, videos are in here, your audio sounds are there. As you can see right now, I've got my videos added here in order. So let me show you how to do the rest of this. I'm going to grab these and just drag them over here just like that and drop them in place. Next, I'm going to take this video, drag it right over here, and where you see that little purple line, that's where it'll drop it in at. I'll do this for my other videos. I'll drag them out one at a time, just like that. Then, drag them over here. Normally, I'd drag in a whole bunch of them in here, but since I've got these numbered, I'm going to add them one at a time so I don't get them out of order. I'll let you watch me. Okay, now they're all in here. You can see this video is almost 2.5 minutes long. Next, I'm going to play through the video and see if I need to add any kind of transitions, or if I need to edit them down. Watch me as I'm working on that. I'll also add sounds or music as needed. By watching me work, you can see this process is a lot like putting a big puzzle together one piece at a time.
Alright, so now the video is almost finished. It's just over 2 minutes. All the mini videos are in here, and I want to show you now how I added the sounds. It's very easy to do. This is my music, you can see right there, and if you have music that you want to add, you can put it in here. All you do is drag and drop it into here, and then there it is. So just drag it over like that. I've also got narrations in here for the storyteller, and other sounds too. You can also look for sounds and music in Canva. If you go to the audio section, you can see there's a lot to choose from. Just make sure you don't use anything that is on the premium plan unless you're a pro member. And even then, I would be a little leery of using the audio in here, especially if it's something popular, because you might get a copyright slap. So what I would suggest you do in that case, especially if you plan to put this video onto YouTube, is get music directly in YouTube's audio library. That way you can be assured that it's okay to use on YouTube. But for sounds, a lot of times I'll just use Pixabay.com. In this situation, I came over here to sound effects and looked for cat meowing. If you click on that, then it'll show you different ones you could use. To listen to them, you just click here. Then click here to download it. Pixabay is a good place for sounds. Not all of these are free, but a good bit of them are. I wouldn't use it for my music. In that case, I would either use the YouTube audio library, or I would make it myself in Suno or something like that. But that's just my advice. So let's go back. So now you can see these are the audio bits and pieces I've added. There's where the narrator is explaining what's going on. I've also added sounds like the kitten meowing or purring, and there's music. Then once you get everything exactly like you want and you're ready for it to be downloaded, the next thing you're going to do is you can come over here to where it says share, click on that, then you'll come right here to download, then choose MP4. If you're on a free plan, you'll keep it at 1080, but if you're on the paid plan, you can go all the way up to 4K. Then choose download. Now it's time to upload it to your social media, YouTube, your website, or wherever you're going to be using it.
On a bright morning, Maggie heard a tiny meow at her front door.
Oh, hello there. Who are you? Are you all alone? Come here. Hey, little one, come here. Aw, you're so soft and cute. Go play, kitty. Oh, a little kitten. You're so cute. Come here. Do you want to come inside? Oh, hello, little one. There we go, all safe. Aw, you're so cute, little one. Yes, such a good kitty. I love holding you. Aw, you're such a good little eater. Yes, you are.
In just a few seconds, a stranger became a friend. A full tummy, a happy kitty, and a brand new day to explore.
Ready for our adventure, kitty? Look at all the flowers. Let's go explore. You're so cute. Do you want to play? Come here. I love you.
So Maggie brought her new little friend into the backyard to play.
Yay, let's run. Hee, faster.
Leaves danced in the sunshine, and the two new friends chased, ran, and laughed together. Then Maggie noticed something tiny moving near the fence line.
Gotcha! You're so cute. Aw, you're so cute. Hey, come here. Yes, good kitty.
A little bunny had wandered into the yard and looked unsure where to go. With gentle patience, Maggie helped the bunny find its way back to safety. And find its mama, too.
Ready to hop, little one?
Yes, watch me go. Go on, chase it. You're so cute and playful. Yes, good kitty.
Maggie and her kitten had only just met, but already they made a brave little team.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.